It's a cozy rainy night in Atlanta, Georgia. The stars are out somewhere, even though I can't see them here. But nevertheless, the vibes are immaculate. So tonight I'm going to show y'all how I made this best-selling cozy star print for sleepwear and swimwear for Kitty and Vibe. Kitty and Vibe is a body-positive and size-inclusive swimwear brand that makes bikinis based on your butt size. It was actually started by one of my best friends, and I've been helping her make the textile designs ever since. As I mentioned earlier, this star print is actually one of our continuous bestsellers. It was one of the most simple prints I've ever made, but as we continue launching new products and putting this print on it, it continues to sell, which I think goes to show that not overcomplicating things and sometimes just staying with a simple, beautiful design is the way to go. So as always, I started with research and getting inspiration, but I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to make from the beginning, so I didn't spend too much time on research. I knew I wanted the print to feel cozy and homey, so I tried to keep the illustrations as handmade feeling as possible. There's a time and place for perfection, and there's a time and place for clip-arty shapes, like the ones here. Those are super cute, but it's not what we are going for today. Today we want imperfections, we want coziness, we want hominess. So we're gonna make the stars feel hand-drawn, because they are. I started off in Procreate just designing a ton of different stars. I made some more clean, some more messy. I even tried to do some with my left hand, but those did not end up making the cut. Normally when I make my prints, I do a little bit in Procreate and then I bring it into Photoshop to make the pattern repeating and seamless. But for this print in particular, because it's so simple, I was able to do the whole thing in Procreate and make the seamless pattern in Procreate as well. I did all of the stars on one layer and then afterwards took the lasso tool and copy and pasted the ones that I wanted in the final print. And then after that, once I had enough stars to play with, I started spacing them out in the canvas and created a crescent moon as well, as you can see in this really nice crisp video I took. Started adding little baby dots that represent stars in the far, far distance as well. And I just really played around with the layout for a while until I felt like it was good to go. This is the final print. As you can see, it's not overcomplicated. It's pretty simple and only has a few design elements really, but I always mock up the print onto a technical drawing of the product just so I can make sure that it's achieving the right aesthetic, and I'll play around with the scale to make sure that the manufacturer fully understands the vibe that we're going for. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I think it's so cute. We put it on bikinis, we put it on one pieces, we put it on pajamas, actually a ton of different pajamas, scrunchies, and they just all came out so cute. So let me know what y'all think. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.